Hi everybody, we're just getting set up for the call of the day. Welcome back to another CYT-Crypto call of the day. My name is Stephen Aitchison and we're going to do a call of the day in just a second. I'm just making sure we're all set up. And I think we are. Yes, we are. Okay, so what we're going to do, if you've never seen this before, basically I make a call of the day. Not every day, I've not been doing it every single day, but I make a call of the day. Today I'm going to be making one, and this is a project on Binance. So on Binance, I'll pick a coin. I think it's going to go up within 7 days. It has to go up within 7 days or it does not count. Well, over the last kind of couple of months, I think the average gain is about 17% for the calls of the day. So I'm going to make a call of the day today, but first we always have to look at Bitcoin and see what the Bitcoin price is doing. If the Bitcoin price is tanking, there's no point making a call of the day. You can still make money. When the markets are going down, obviously you can short. That's one way to make money, but there's still opportunities in the marketplace as well. But we have to look at Bitcoin just now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to jump over. And I'm just going to make sure, first of all, we are live. Everything seems to be okay. And now there's not a lot of people watching at this time of day, so that's cool. We've got Crypto Don Juan is in the house, which is good. Okay, so the Bitcoin price, where are we with the Bitcoin price? It's relatively stable. So if you've seen it live this morning, we kind of looked at the Bitcoin price as well, but it's relatively stable at the moment at 3,819. This is using Bitstamp. It's not using the aggregated price. It's using Bitstamp just now. I am going to kind of assume in the future that we'll be using the BLX price, and I don't think we'll have a BLX price just now. I don't think that will have come up. Yeah, brave new coin, so we will be using that, I would imagine, for the future. We'll just see what the price is of that. 3,815. Much the same as Bitstamp, and it's coming down a wee bit, but it's relatively stable. That's a good thing. On the daily chart, we're still crossed over. The 70 EMA is still crossed over the 50 EMA, and we're still above the 50 EMA line. So as long as we're above that just now, that's good enough for me to start making calls, or keep making calls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over and show you what the call of the day is. Remember, this is on Binance. And if you want calls of the day every day and more than one call of the day, most days, you can join us in a premium group. The link is down below. If anybody's watching this and you're in the premium group, let everybody know what you think about it, but give an honest opinion. So what is the call of the day today? It is REN. That is a call of the day today. And I'm going to give you my reasons behind that. So it's relatively new on Binance. It just came out in December on Binance, but you can see here, big slope down, big descending triangle. Now, here's the thing. Usually, I've not found this to be the case, but usually with a descending triangle like this, you can see quite clearly we've got a descending triangle. That indicates a kind of price continuation on a down slope. And usually that is the case. However, I think we have found a bottom in REN. And what to do here, if we think we've found a bottom, what we do is we just place our stop loss just below the bottom. So we've got a bottom here of around about 415 Satoshi. So if we think that's the bottom, then we're going to go just below that to put a stop loss in. So instead of putting maybe a 10% stop loss or a 5% stop loss and doing it at 380 or something, you want to put a stop loss round about, say, 410. It's never reached 410 before, so you're pretty safe to assume if it does go down to 410, we're continuing on the downward slope of the price in Satoshi. However, this is what I think. I think there's more upside to this. I think we've reached the bottom for REN, and we've seen the kind of gradual continuation down, a couple of jumps up. And I think this is where we're going to jump up, and we need to break out from here round about 478. It touched that again to kind of go perfectly with this kind of descending triangle and hit the resistance line. I think we're going to hit that and kind of break through over the next couple of days or a couple of weeks, but this has to be within 7 days, remember. So I think we're going to break that. Once it breaks that, I think we're going to break it big, and we could see a good 20, 30, 40% on REN when it does break out. But put your stop loss round about 410-ish, because it's never reached that before. That would indicate a continuation of the price going down the way as well. So that's the call of the day for the 27th of February, which is REN at 452 Satoshi. If you want more calls of the day every day or most days, join us in a premium group. There's a link down below. It'd be brilliant to see you in there. And it's not just for calls like this. We're getting calls of the day every day like this as well, but it's to join a group of people who are genuinely interested in crypto and making money at the same time. And it's kind of intelligent chat about crypto as well in the group, in the premium group. So we'd love to see you there. If you want to join us over there, that would be fantastic. Right, I'm going to jump over to chat area. I don't think anybody will be in, or many people will be in. We've got Rob Fiddler is in. Excellent, good to see you. Jason Demek is in. Obviously we've got Crypto Don Wannon's in. Imran Chowdhury. Hey Steve, this is my first call of the day. It's 5 AM here in California. Wow, excellent. So we've seen Imran earlier on about, what was it, 4 hours ago, 4 or 5 hours ago. So he's up late and up early as well. So good to see you, Imran. Good to see you. Just go. There's a couple of people watching. So if you've got any questions about the call of the day or anything else, I've got a couple of minutes. I like to make the call of the day just last about 5 or 10 minutes. Holly Gully is in the house as well. Crypto Don Juan is saying good calls. I'm going to try and find the calls of the day for YouTube. The previous ones, I've not kind of updated them recently, so I'll try and find them. I've got them here for you. So YouTube calls of the day, you can see this is the average. The last one was actually on the 15th of February. So I think we need to update that. So we'll go into Binance. I didn't realise I hadn't done them since the 15th. I'm sure I've done them after that. Binance.com, we'll just go to and look at ONT. So remember, 15th of February, so we've got up until the 22nd of February for the call to last ONT. Obviously we've gone up way big time from there. And we'll go on the daily, on the 4 hourly actually. And we'll look for 22nd of February. And the highest price, 2,101. 22nd at that time. Then we can call 2,366. That's less than that. 23,366. So ONT was officially 35.85%. I'll need to check out NEO as well. And I think I've got more calls as well, but I'll add them later. I've just not updated this sheet. I do apologise for that. 27th. And we're going for REN. And we're going for 452 Satoshi. And I think I've got one on the 18th, so I need to update that. So the average gain is 18.56%. It might be higher than that because I'll need to update these as well. So it could be higher and I'll need to update the sheet. So there you go. That's what we do in the live group. Holly Gully is saying I'll buy this one, I think. If you do buy it, Holly Gully, what to do is put the stop loss in round about 410 because it's never reached 410 before, and that would indicate a continuation of the price down. I just think it's going to break out from here. But yeah, just put it as a very, very tight stop loss, so it could be good. Could be a good one. Gino Dahl is back in with us. Good to see you. Donny Don Matthew. ONT it is then. Diving right. No, I wasn't saying ONT. That's not the call of the day. The call of the day is REN at 452. I was just saying I was updating the sheet for the call of the day for ONT when I made that call of the day on the 15th. So on the 22nd it reached 23,366, and I know it's kind of gone higher than that as well. So just be careful of that. That's not the call of the day. Rob Fiddler, can you recommend a good book for the psychology of trading mindset? A good book would be I can't remember I read them when I was doing stock market trading, and I can't remember the names of the books. I'll need to kind of get them out to you. Rob, what was the name? Reminiscence of a Stockbroker. That's a really good one. I've read that about 3 times over the years. I traded the stock market 20-30 years ago, and Reminiscence of a Stockbroker was really good. I really enjoyed that one. So that was the one I was thinking. Anton Lefebvre, I think it is. Donny Don Matthew, Oops a Daisy. Yeah, Ren it is then. Donny Don Matthew, yes, that's the one. Daryl Fowler, man, check out the UBT, the Hidden Gem. I'll check that out later. That's not what this kind of channel is about, but I will check that later. I might do that tomorrow morning. Daryl. Rob Fiddler is saying thank you. We've got 21 people watching just now. So yeah, just to update it, just to kind of reiterate, and we'll go to REN just now and look at the order books for REN. So REN is the call of the day today. 452, 453, but it looks as if it's going to go to 451, 452, so you might be able to hold off and get it for to buy it for 452. So we can see here crossovers happened on a 4 hourly. We always like to kind of look at the crossover. That's already happened as well. We'll look at the 4 hourly. So you can see the crossover happening here. It's happened a few times and it's kind of going in line perfectly with this descending triangle. As I said, normally a descending triangle will normally indicate that the price is going to continue downwards, but I think when it kind of reaches to this point, when it's getting to the peak of this triangle, we're going to break out and go up and see a big run. So we've never reached 410 before, so I would put the stop loss around about 410. So very, very tight stop loss, which I think the stop loss would be what, 10% or something? 5%, sorry. So that's a tight stop loss. So you can put it there, and if it does hit that, then obviously it's a continuation of the downward kind of trend. Okay, I'm going to leave it there just now. So that's the call of the day, is REN. It is a BTC pairing, and all my BTC is in Tether, so it's fine to buy in BTC and go into REN. Yeah, I would, but do your own research first. I would kind of look at this, look at the order books first, so we can see on the order books it looks as if it's going to go, it's just went to 451, 452, and it might actually come down a wee bit further to 450, 451. So you might want to wait and try and get it 451 Satoshi. So there's no harm in waiting. Just look at the order books on Binance before going into it. You can definitely do that. I don't think the pairing is in USD either. No, they've not got a USD pairing for that, so you need to buy kind of BTC first and then get into REN. Yeah, it's going to go down to 450, 451, it looks like. So you'll be able to get it cheaper if you're kind of going in on that. But you might even want to wait and see if it comes down a wee bit further. So remember, do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm thinking could happen. I've just given you the scenario there that could break out of here, but equally it could come down and break down below that support line as well. I don't think that's going to happen, but it's just my opinion. Okay, I'll leave it there just now, and I will speak to you later on. Tomorrow I'll be on at 8:30 AM GMT time, and I'll probably be doing another call of the day around about this time as well tomorrow. But I'll see you later. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. I'll speak soon. Until next time, namaste. Take care. Bye now.